Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Theta Network. That is the big news video, my friends. So never miss any second of this video because this video is going to be very important for all of you, my friends. Let's start the video, my friends. But before starting this video, also subscribe AB's Tech channel for more updates and news videos. Now my friends, let me show you the latest price update of the Theta Network. You can see here, my friends. Sorry, here it's playing, sorry for that. Let me show you the price chart now. Here the latest change to occur in this Theta Network is negative 3.21%. Negative 3.21%. The price of the Theta Network decrease in the last 60 minutes. In negative 9.97%, the price decreased from the last 24 hours. So my friends, the falls of the Theta Network starts from the last 24 hours from the yesterday. And the previous changes is absolutely very good, very good. I really appreciate the previous changes of the Theta Network, but unfortunately now the latest situation is going negative. You can see here if you look at the price chart. So absolutely, my friends, massive jumps occur by the Theta Network. You can see from the yesterday the price falls down, and still the latest situation of the Theta Network is negative. My friends, my personal opinion is positive, and I believe that is a 1 day fast, 2 day fast, and after 1-2 days the price will again explode, the price will again pump. So don't be disappointed, my friends, and never decide to sell, just hold it. Hope they give you profit, not a loss. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.